we are on currently Rainbow Six Siege, and we have an exciting video for you guys today. Now, we were just in a casual game, and we were literally just running around, and we found a glitch. Now, it wasn't necessarily us, but it is a glitch, and it counts as a glitch. So we're gonna show you it today. I don't think we're gonna try and explore it, see if you can get anywhere on the map, like actually, so that you can maybe like do things under the map and see if Ubisoft needs to patch it or not. So we're gonna go check that out and see if we should get it banned or not. Because
alright, so alright.
Because I don't really know. It's not really that much of a game-breaking glitch, as much as it is just a regular glitch that gets you out of the map. Okay. Yacht.
Let me do manager. Okay. Alright, so what's going on, guys? So today is gonna be like a little bit of short video. It's gonna be uncut. So me and VigilHYPER, we were start the custom game now on Yacht. Yep. So we were playing Yacht in casual match, and we found this glitch per se. It's not really a game-breaking glitch. You can't shoot through it. So we're gonna be exploring it today, see what little nooks and crannies we can get ourselves into, and yeah, let's see.
All right, so you go Ella and I'll go Ash.
Yeah,
just so that we're three speed characters. But guys, we were literally just walking around on the outside of the map, and it kind of just glitched us through. We were in snowmobiles, right?
What do you mean?
Like where we spawned? Did we spawn
it's
Zodiac?
northwest side, I think. No, north side. It's just north side towards the.
I'm just gonna spawn snowmobiles. Actually, let's go Twitch so that we can see if there's like a head above it that you can shoot or anything like that. So like, let's see if your head like glitches out of it. You know what I mean? Like faces out of the floor. Oh dang it! I forgot that I put it on. I forgot that I clicked on the tournament setting, so it's only like 3 minutes. All right.
It's fine.
Okay. All right, so he's not going. Well, I don't really know where the fuck I'm spawning. I'm spawning snowmobile. It's at the front. So
oh, you should have been towards the back.
Southeast. Towards the back? Like what?
Yeah.
Zodiac?
Like east. You should have gone east.
Okay, yeah, I just went Zodiac. No, southeast is that. What do you mean? Southeast is snowmobiles. Yes, that's snowmobile.
Oh.
I was like,
oh, no, it is southwest, northwest.
Okay, so where are you at? Oh shit, it's on the other side.
Yeah.
It's on the other side, right? Oh,
yeah, that's where I am.
It's on the north side.
Alright, so alright, that's where you are. Alright, so it should be around here somewhere. Okay, here it is. So as you can see, it's like that little it's on West Glacier here, north going this way, west that way, east that way. Yeah, here he is. So you should come here to this giant iceberg coming out of the ground, and then you'll see this sort of light fluffy snow. And you'll see when you walk over it, you kind of drop down. So what you have to do is you have to come here, and then you have to
prone. Right?
You have to go prone, and then yep, there you go.
You just face right there.
You'll drop down.
Guys, it's not really a game-breaking glitch, like I said.
Like as you can see, I'll shoot and nothing happens. Like I'll throw a Gersmot. Oh!
I didn't mean to throw my drone.
Oh, you see my Gersmot? My Gersmot went through.
Yeah. Let's see if I can hit it.
Well, no. I can't stand up.
Oh no. Yeah, you're under. Okay, so let's see how far we can go with this glitch. Oh, okay. We're at the part where
I can't move.
Just crouch. Alright, so I saw this little piece over here. Let's see if we can get... Oh, yeah, you can glitch right through here. Hell yeah. Let's go.
Wait, where are you? Oh, there you are.
Okay.
Alright, so yeah, you can crouch right here, and you can...
Let's see if we can get over here, because there is a little spot where you can go. Oh, maybe? Can we go? Oh, no, we can't. We can't go there. Damn, we get stuck right here.
Yeah. And I tried going back that way over there. However, you get pushed off.
Alright, well, let's see how far we can actually go. Go.
Yeah, that's a. I'm blocked there.
Alright, let's go.
Wait 1 sec.
What are you doing?
I'm doing something really quickly. Sorry.
You're spinning around right now.
I don't know why.
What the hell is your body doing?
I don't know. Alright, let's go.
You're doing the. You were literally just doing the worm. Okay, I was about to say, am I gonna get phased back in here? Alright.
Oh, shoot, sorry.
Whoa.
No, you're gonna get. Oh, wait, what? Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Alright, let's see if we can. Oh, there's only 15. Let's see where it shows us. It was only 15 seconds left. Literally invisible. Literally invisible. Oh my god. Okay.
Wait, let's see if you can glitch into it with the drone.
Let's see. I threw my drone through it, so might be able to.
Submarine.
What should I go? Fourth floor?
Wait, where? It's Zodiac, right?
Yeah. No, it's the one that's not on the snowmobile or Zodiac side.
Submarine.
Yep, submarine.
I'll pick up the diffuser. Oh, okay.
Dang it.
Alright, I'm gonna try and see if I can get my drone in.
I should have just edited my playlist and made it to 15 seconds as the preparation starter.
Yeah, it's fine. Oh shoot, that snowmobile. Oh crap, I
What?
went to the wrong side. Oh crap. Dang it, doesn't matter. Wait, so we should see if you can hypothetically, like, if there's someone hiding in that spot, like a defender, if you can kill them with Twitch while they're glitched.
Yeah.
That just sounds funny. Kill them with Twitch while they're glitched. So let's see. No, drones can't get in.
They can't just by themselves.
No.
How about you go in with the drone first? Whoa, what the fuck?
What?
Dude, did I just find
What?
another glitch? Hold up.
Just find another glitch.
I'm dead ass though. Like I'm not even joking you. Oh no, I thought I did. No, I didn't.
That's not a glitch.
No, I thought I saw a volt option, so I thought you can maybe get up there. Oh damn it, man! I can't even. Oh shit. And I just did a little bit of damage.
Alright, so let me see if I can like Oh, there you go. Alright, so let me just like.
All right, how far can we go over here though? Is the question. Oh, he went through like this.
Oh.
Okay. Can you get through here?
Like, nah, feel to the sides. UB fix your game.
Ubisoft? Question mark? Oh my god, what the hell is this? Where the hell am I going? I gotta back up. It just stops here.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, there's a barrier there.
No, I think that's a peak. You could probably peek somebody from there. This is a deadly fucking glitch. Oh my god, what? What? Look at this.
What?
Oh my god, do I get glitched even further under the map? Question mark? Question mark? We'll see.
Oh, you can't stand up.
Yeah, no. See how far we can go.
Yeah.
Damn it. Okay. I'm going along this side. Oh my god, what the hell? It's like people were meant to find this.
I know. Why is this so convenient?
This is just...
You can see, yeah. Oh, it ends here.
Or does it?
Yeah.
Or does it? Or does it? This is gay.
This game is broken.
This game, please fix, hot fix, please.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, there's an invisible wall right here. I was hoping you could maybe get to like the submarine. Oh. My hopes are not giving up yet. My hopes are not giving up yet. Dude, you think we can make it? Damn it.
Oh yeah, you probably can. Like I'm still going.
I wanted
to do the next one.
I wanted to go into the submarine maybe.
Yoink.
That takes so much time to get over there. Holy shit.
Wait, what if this is like actually an Easter egg and they modeled the inside of the submarine?
That would be dope.
That would be freaking cool, dude.
Wait, what if you throw a drone down there while you're down there? Will it just glitch through?
Yeah, probably no. Like if you're down in there and you use a drone, it'll probably like stay glitched with you.
See what happens.
Yeet, my brother.
Yeetus my meatus to your girlfriend's
Fetus.
Yeah.
I will yeet my meat to your fetus.
I will beat my meatus to your fetus, and then I'm gonna come on your meatus. Cause I be spinning every single fucking day. Nigga, it's gonna play, nigga, it's my fucking way.
Fetus deletus.
10 seconds. 5 seconds before insertion. Now secure.
Alright, so let's get check this out,
Alrighty,
guys.
brother.
Alright, so this is a cool little glitch, and it's not like it's just like a hard glitch to do. Literally, you just jump.
Alright, so now we know what we're doing this time. So we gotta like, yeah.
Oh, we have to get all the way over here again. Faster movement speed. And then you have to crouch right here. Oh, we're already almost to it.
This baby panda?
Yeet my Buddha.
Hold up, I'm trying to do a glitch.
Alright.
Oh wait, here, let me try this. Oh, nope, it just automatically gets destroyed.
Oh, it just automatically gets destroyed.
Yeah, it just fucking took a shit on itself. Is this wall?
Oh, no.
Nope, I'm inching towards it. No, are you serious?
Is this it, really?
This is where it ends? This is the gayest glitch ever.
Bro.
Gayest glitch of 2015.
Wait, stay away from me, stay away from me. Yeah, that goes down far. Yeah, I think this is it. I don't think there's anything else.
Yeah, man. That would've been. Oh wait, couldn't you go the other way?
I'm trying.
Like, I'm saying like, go the other way in. Like, once you get into the glitch, go the other way.
Oh yeah, we could try that. You just want to end the round?
Hold up. I want to still see because we're moving over. Could we get inside this? Nope, this is where it ends. This is the corner of the map right here. Corner of the map. Fuck you!
What? It didn't even count as a kill. Like, it was just like killed by elements. Smack.
Cause you went into your caviar stance. You didn't go
I
into
know.
caviar stance.
Yeah, but let's try going the other way this time. Alright, I'm gonna go Ash this time. You know, because since Ash has no hitbox and she's as quick as lightning. Oof, my Buddha.
My poo-poo. My poo-poo go in your ass.
I'm recording, right?
I put my dick up in I put my corn stick up my ass.
And guys, I'm gonna link VigilHYPER's channel in the description. So if you want to go check him out, you should probably do that.
If you guys want to check out H Pixel, he is he's in my suggested channels. So yeah, H Pixel is too dumb to realize that you can just put somebody's channel in your suggested channels. But
bro.
I hope you know there's a suggested channels.
Wait, can you? Yeah, like there's just like a little untextured part here.
Walk to the
No, you can't.
table.
Wait, which side do I go to? I forgot.
This side.
North side?
Northwest.
I can open it.
Whoa! I'm so sorry. I did not mean to do that. I shot without aiming. Oh shit. I shot without aiming. That was kind of close to you. Alright, let's shot.
Oh shoot.
Okay, let's see how far we can go. Damn it!
Oh, you got it. You hit a barrier.
Yeah, the barrier's right here. Can you see me?
Oh, hi there.
Is that you? I can't even see you. I see like the FPI on your hat. I just said.
Wait, what?
I see
I'm
the-
I'm.
I see the
Wait, hang on. Stop
FBI.
moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Like, look up at me. Like, look up. All right, look down.
Is that the
Why?
proper way to look down?
Oh. You said you couldn't see me.
I really couldn't. All I saw was your FBI.
Probably because my brightness is higher than yours.
Oh, I don't have my buttons.
Alrighty, well, do you think that's all we can do with this glitch? Cause
Yeah. Now you want a 1v1 on Yacht?
alrighty.
just to make the video 10 minutes so that we can get it advertised?
Eat, brother. Eat, brother.
I mean, I do like ads on my videos. That'd be a good thing.
Yeah.
Alright. Anything goes except for shields
Yeet.
and gauze. I mean, but nobody gives gauze on this map. That'd be really retarded too. Alright, let's at least tell each other where our fucking spots are.
I'm
because-
kitchen.
Okay. Like, because this map's too fucking big for one zone to go all the way around.
Yeah. Hmm.
Damn! Look at his fine bitty! I was gonna look at your ass, but okay. Gonna get myself demonetized by that.
Bro. I'm gonna have no ammo. I
did you
only have
just-
2 clips.
Did you just shoot at that camera? Because I didn't get any points or anything.
I shot the camera.
Are you getting points whenever you kill somebody? Oh wait, no. Okay, I guess points are just off.
Brother?
Where art thou, brother? I didn't know you were gonna peek out. I just took out that camera though.
I was dumb and I didn't aim.
Fuck you, bitch! Hey man, I was fucking knifing the bomb, bro. I was hoping you defuse it. I was hoping you defuse it, Negro, bro. Fuck you.
Just call me a nigga.
Oh, I was trying to make it to where like I could have a claymore sticking through the wall.
Yeah. Easy
but
clap.
It didn't work. So I just destroyed the gun.
Oh, righty, right.
Y'all are crazy. Y'all are literally. Hey! Don't slam my door.
You want to go out there and fake? No. Oh.
Bro. Hey, you want to do more Ring of Elysium when Jaden gets back?
Maybe. Oh! hey, come on, chill. I'm playing a game. Playing a game.
Alright.
Kitchen.
Alright.
I got a game.
Only reason I know what this, like all the callouts for this map,
Let me get that.
because it was in when it was in ranked, which was the gayest thing ever. First of all, literally, Yacht in ranked is literally AIDS. Like if you didn't know.
Yeah.
Like they thought about bringing it back, and literally, they had a vote, and 50.
But Villa is so much better than this.
Yeah, Villa's so much better. Hey, hold up. Could you peek this even with the door
what's up?
closed?
Hey, what's up, faggot?
Are you on a ranked?
No, we're just
No, we were thinking about doing more Ring of Elysium.
we're doing a 1v1 just to make our videos.
Stretch our video to 10 minutes.
Wait, you're about to do what?
We're doing
doing
a
1v1
1v1 right now just to
Let's
stretch
talk
our
about
video.
After that 1v1.
Oh,
We're gonna play some
in
more
the
Rings of
asylum or
Elysium.
something?
Alright, I'll go ahead and load up rings.
Bro, are you not here?
What dog?
Can we go out? No. Yeah. Here you go.
What? From where? You were
Maverick OP! Maverick OP!
you were just behind me.
Maverick is OP, dude.
I heard you from somewhere, but I had half my fucking headset off. God damn it. I had half of it off because the fucking
Wait, does Clash count as a shield?
Yeah.
Okay.
She has a big
Dude,
fucking shield that covers her whole
Yeah,
body.
right? She's a sh**. My. Did she go to the shield? Yes.
I don't know. I don't think she counts as a shield, even though she has a fucking giant shield as her primary.
Alright. Hey, what time is it?
Do I smell weed?
Like, in your boy smell weed?
I smell gas. I smell like straight up gas, bro. Like that straight up gas, bro. You know what I'm talking about, bro? When you're like smoking
Weed,
on,
brother.
whenever you're like smoking on those, what do they call them? Doobies, bro? You know those doobies, dog? Yeah, doobies are pretty cool, man. What the fuck? What the fuck, Pauls?
Damn it, you saw me jerking off.
Keep that dick in your fucking pants, man. Yeah, bitch, can't see my drone, motherfucker. Yeah, but I can see your ugly ass, you ugly ass dad looking motherfucker.
I'm actually about to waste the nitrous though.
Literally, it's right here.
Whatever, I'm going back to objective
It
now.
was literally right on top. Alright, what is your objective?
Kitchen. I mean, no, not kitchen, it's,
Should I use the glitch, bro?
no, don't.
Oh my god, my frames just dropped down so low.
Basically, it's like right next to kitchen.
What?
Do you do your finger in here? You want to do your finger?
Oh fuck! You know what I forgot? Nothing. What am I gonna say?
Where are you, Ick?
What?
You're IQ, aren't you?
Maybe.
Boy, get Woo!
Let's go,
Aw, damn it.
baby.
I thought I could shoot you through the ceiling, but it wasn't destructible.
You like that black ice, baby? Ah! On both guns. On both of them.
So what round does this go to?
Hey, don't put your lips on that. You're gonna hurt yourself. You dumb dumb.
You dum dum.
Literally, they're spinning my wheel and then putting their mouths on the spikes. You're really dumb. Literally, if that was to go fast enough, you would literally cut your mouth open. You would literally be looking like the Joker from Batman, okay?
Okay, Michael, I'm gonna send 2 pictures of you. Tell me
Holy
which one you post on my story, okay?
Me? Of me?
Yes. No,
Why,
me.
why me? Oh, I was about to say, of me? Nigga, why? I was about to say, nigga, you're tripping shit. You think I'm gonna be on your story?
Bitch, you're tripping shit, huh?
Man, you
Okay.
tripping mad acid, dog. What kind of acid you got? I paid $50 for a bottle. How much you get those strips for? I get them 5
Where are you at?
$5.
Where are you at?
I sent them both to you, Michael.
Up your
Wait, where
arms,
are you?
asshole.
Where are you?
The first one that you were on, I forgot what it's called.
What?
I put an asshole in your mom. Wait,
Yeah,
what?
Michael, you just look and tell me what's wrong.
Oh, hey there, peeping Jaeger.
Fuck you.
You can stop worrying about grenades now.
You can stop worrying about projectiles now. He's changed it, by the way. It's
You
not.
can
It's
stop
not.
worrying about grenades now.
It's not grenades. I thought it's projectiles.
9!
You suck my dick, you fucking Russian bitch. You Russian
More.
whore. Damn it.
Well, how do you know I'm Russian? How'd you know I'm Russian?
Yo, okay. Y'all need to chill out. Y'all are knocking shit over.
You freaking hacker?
Fucking up my whole fucking room. So y'all need to chill the fuck out.
Who are you talking to?
The kids, they keep on messing up my room, bro. I have this room 100% spotless, and now it literally looks like a tornado just walked through. My
Are you
sheets-
sure it's 100% spotless?
Yes. Well, now it's not.
Where the fuck?
It was. It is.
Huh?
It's engine control room.
Big Funks? Que pasa, mi amigo?
Okay, pasta, these nuts in your mom.
I'll pasta my
Alright.
nuts in your mouth.
I've spent the past 6 minutes trying to...
Have you seriously not found the fucking objective? It's the one where you killed me when I was Cav on Maverick. When
What's
you
your
were
plan,
Maverick.
Michael?
What?
What's your plan?
Plan for what?
To win, man.
Fucking kill your bitch ass.
All right. Fuck!
Look at this. I was like, wait, that's not him. Oh wait, what?
I should have taken cover.
Why were you just sitting in the middle of the open area, dude? You literally just walked in the door and was like, I'm planning right now. I got
No,
this.
because the thing is, I would have heard if you were to start defusing, and then I would have just.
Well, I wouldn't have defused it if you were fucking right outside, you dumbass. Why the hell would I go out of my way to go outside to kill you?
Okay, alright, whatever.
I would just long arm it.
B, whatever, my plan was flawed.
More than flawed. Completely fucked.
Fuck you.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
Hey, what did a Jewish man say to the Mexican man after the German man walked in?
Oh, God. Let's hear it.
No, you gotta guess.
I don't know. I got polio. Where are you?
I bet you he has a bigger penis than me.
Demonetized.
Juice have small
Where'd you
penises.
spawn?
Your mom's Uranus?
No, you said you'd tell us where you spawned.
Okay, server room.
Where is server?
What?
Where are you?
No, I'm playing my game right now.
Where are you, you little
Well, go play with Junior.
nigga?
Go play with Junior. Junior wants to play. I just took fucking 53 damage from a C4 that was outside of the room that I threw it in.
Where are you?
I just told you. The bottom floor.
Where are you?
The bottom floor!
Alrighty.
Yeah, you fucking Mexican.
Insecure wouldn't talk to me. I did try to call Insecure Michael, and he said nah when I tried to call him, and then said he was like bye.
Insecure's a little bitch.
He really is, honestly. Like I ain't even do nothing to him. Chip up.
Oh! I was taking a picture, bitch!
He was around good.
I was like, wait, did he just run by?
I just walked by. I walked by.
Guys,
I was taking
was
a
funny.
picture of the penis that you're
what are the
currently
things
drawing.
to buy, guys?
What?
What are the whatchamacallits? I'm trying to think what I'm trying to say.
Penis.
How many rounds is it going to? Come on.
40.
Really,
Yes,
shut
you
up.
guys are 40.
How many does it actually go to? I'm waiting for you.
500.
Wait, this is game point.
Okay.
Motherfucker!
Oh, yeah. He's on some heavy acid right there.
He's
Hey.
also real good.
Hey, you know some acid?
I have a 5.9%. I have a 5.9 win rate and a 7.3 survival rate in squads. I have a 7.5 exploit in squad.
Alright, I'm playing the game. Playing the game. You can play?
Yeah.
Alright, let's beat this dude. Ready?
Yeah.
Beat this shit up.
We're probably definitely not winning.
I'm dead.
Why the hell are you Tachanka?
Where I go?
What kind of shit is that? This bitch is Tachanka.
10 seconds before
Is that
Okay,
fair? Is that fair? I brought recruit.
You're actually dumb, Michael.
I dead ass brought recruit. I was like, dude, I'm a meme on this kid. And next thing you know,
Like I said, I'm gonna meme on this kid.
all right. So what's up, you tater snapper?
You going with tater snapper?
Yeah. What's up, you? Fuck me!
Game over?
Meme.
This bitch is literally sitting at his Tachanka and literally just shot me.
point is, does that mean it's game over?
Yeah,
Yes.
good game.
Lord to Chunky.
That was actually pretty fun. Not gonna lie. Okay, we don't have to ear rape the fucking Russian gay song, okay?
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next
Yep,
time.
same for me. I hope you guys love this video. It was just a little 1v1. We weren't going for serious, so we were just fucking around. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down. Go like, subscribe, and comment down below because it's gonna be a great
down
time.
below. Wait, what?
Yeah.
intro.
I want you to come so hard on that intro.
Alrighty.
But either way, guys, I will see you guys next time. Peace out.